are two methods on how you can copy and paste on your Windows or MacBook or whatever device you are using. So if you want to copy something, you just want to select what you want to copy. Okay, you can do this on your phone too. Just select what you want to copy, and after that you want to click here, right click, and this will pop up. As you can see, you want to click copy, and if you want to paste something, you want to just click here. You can just right click if you want to paste, and then click paste, as you can see here. But if you don't like you see here, but if you don't want to do this manually, you can just do this very fast. You can just select what you want to copy and then Ctrl C, click Ctrl, as you can see here, Ctrl C. If you want to paste anything, you want to click on Ctrl V, okay, Ctrl V. As you can see here, we paste the text. That's exactly how you can copy anything from Google or whatever browser you are using. Like I said, just Ctrl V to paste, Ctrl C to copy. If you want to copy anything, Ctrl C if you want to copy. But if you want to paste, Ctrl V. Okay. So I hope this video helped. If it does, please drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.